Hey guys, EJ here with Klinger Holsters. Now, if you're looking to keep things simple, but you still want the options, the core bundle is the bundle for you. This is based off of our 4-in-1 carry system, allowing you to switch between different carry configurations without having to buy multiple holsters. So let's dive into kind of what's included in that. At the center of it all is going to be the shell. Now, when you get it, it's going to come in the hinge holster configuration, just like you see here. Um, It does come with the outside the waistband configuration kit. So if you're not into the inside the waistband, we have the outside the waistband option there, as well as the tuckable clip and the gear clip. So if you're looking for different carry configurations based on what you're doing or your lifestyle or whatever, we have the options for you to be able to choose from. And these are all very easily interchangeable and adjustable to your needs. And the last piece, and arguably the best piece here, is the cushion. So this is going to turn your holster into the most comfortable holster that you'll wear. Now, if you're ready to stop collecting holsters and start carrying comfortably, the core bundle gives you the versatility that you need all in one package. So it's one firearm, one holster, 4 different ways to carry. And if that's what you're looking for, this is for you.